Namaste, it's me Lokendra Saud. First of all, I want to welcome you all. Welcome, children. And today I am going to teach you how to find out the union of sets. And union of sets will be found of different sets, okay? Different two sets. And I will show you here step by step. Let's start with the first method, okay? To find out the union of sets. Before that, there is some introduction about union of set. The union of sets is the combination form of the given sets. Example, set A, B, C, and set B, C, D, E. Then A union B equals to write A, then union B right here. And when you write A union B, then we have to combine them, A, B, C, D, E. And while combining, we should not repeat the same element, okay? Here, A union B is A union B, where, okay, when we combine them, elements should not be repeated. It is a new set with elements belonging to either set A or set B or both. Okay, that is A union B. Now let's move to next. This is the first one. Look here. How to find out the union of overlapping sets? Overlapping sets means when there is common element, how to find out the union of such sets. Here is given, here universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 10 only. There is no 9. Okay. Set x equals 1, 2, 6, 7. Set y equals 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. Then x union y, okay? X universal, this one, x union y equals, this is not universal, this is union, okay? X union y equals, right, first of x element, union y element. Then when you write the combined one, combine them, but don't repeat the same elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? And then how to show them in Venn diagram, you can draw like this, okay? First of all, this is universal set, and they are overlapping sets. That's why draw this one circle, and another circle here, they should overlap. And right here, common element. That's common element 1. And what are remaining in x, right? 2, 6, 7 right here. And 1 is common. That's why what are remaining in y? Then 3, 4, 5 are remaining. And what are remaining in universal set? What is remaining there? There is remaining 10. Okay, in universal set. And this shaded portion of this Venn diagram show that this is x union y. X union y. Don't forget this region. The shaded region indicates X union Y. Okay. Now let's move to next slide. Union of disjoint sets. How to find out the union of disjoint sets? Look here. Two different sets. Look here. Set A and set C. They are different. Look here. There is no common. That's why they are not overlap. They are disjoint. Universal set, there is given pentagon, hexagon, octagon, nonagon. Okay. Heptagon. And set A equals to pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Set C equals to nonagon. Then when you find A union C, then write first of all A right here, all the elements of A union all the elements of C, and combine them, you'll get pentagon, hexagon, octagon, nonagon. Okay, and here is done. First of all, draw this set A, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, and this set C, nonagon only. Okay, there is no common element, that's why separate draw, that disjoint. And outside the universal set, what is left now? Here is heptagon. Heptagon is more there. There is heptagon in universal set, that should be written out. And here's done. Pink and blue one. Look here. Pink and blue one. Colored circle is union. Okay, is union. That means this and this. When you say this A and C both, means A union C. This is the method to draw Venn diagram of union of the disjoint set. Okay, let's move to next slide. How to find out the union of subsets? Okay, universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B 1, 2. Then A union B, how to find? A is this 1, 2, 3, 4. Union B is 1, 2 only. And when you combine them, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, it will come. Here, elements the set A and the set B, because set B, all elements lie in set A. That's why I write set A. This is set B. Set B should be inside set A. Here's 1, 2 already. Then what is remaining? 3, 4 remaining in this part. Okay. This total is what? A. A means 1, 2, 3, 4. But B, what is 1, 2 only? And this A and B both shaded. That's why this is A and B is shaded here. Okay. This is the union of subset. Whenever you have to find the union of subset, you have to apply this. Okay. Now let's move to. Okay. Once again, I repeat this. This is the Venn diagram of subset. Okay. Here B is subset of A because all the elements of B lie in set A. Now let's move to next one. Union of equal set. Okay. Look, universe set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you find A union B, write A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you find the combine this, one set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we don't repeat. And here also look, this is A also this circle, this set B also. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. What are remaining? 6, 7 left, and write them outside. Okay. Blue shaded region is what? A union B. You can write below the Venn diagram. Okay. This is the method to draw the union of equal sets. Next. This example, look here. Universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Set A 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. And set B equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. Find A and B and show them in a Venn diagram. And first of all, like universal set A, set B. Then we are going to find A and B equals what? Now A and B means that A here, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, union B here. And when you find A union B, what will come here? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. When you combine them, 1, 2, look here, 1, this 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Then 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. And here is one left here. What it will come? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. Here we have tried 9 also. Okay. We'll correct it. There should be. Okay. 9. We'll write it. Okay. It is the correct one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. 7, 9, 11. 9 also here was left 9. Okay. Now let's move to next one example. Here, look here. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set A equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. And set B equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Find A and B and show it in Venn diagram. Universal set right, set A right, and set B right. They're overlapping set. That's why when you find A union B, then write A 2, 3, 5, 7. Union B, what is there? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And when you combine them and find out 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? This is the A union B. Right here. And first of all, draw one set A and set B. And here you let 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 is common in both. And A left 2 only right here. And 3, 5, 7 gone, then 1, 9 left here, right here. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 gone, then what is left? 4, 6, 8, 10 left, then write them outside. And this shaded part showing A union B is shaded. A union B is shaded. Okay. We can write this below the figure. Okay. This is the method to find the A union B. Okay. Of the two sets. Okay. If A B given and universal set given, then we have to find out A and B like this. Okay. And as I told you, here one of the element was missed. We have to correct it. Okay. Here, okay. Here, this one, this answer is already given below. This answer already given below. Okay. Then this is okay. When you find the union of this one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, then it will come 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. These are the ways to find the union of the two different subsets of universal set. Okay. Today this much only. Thank you very much and practice this question. If difficult, you can watch them again and again. Okay. from this video. Okay. Thank you.